Welcome to our full guide on how to copy a story link on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access the platform. Step 2. Navigate to the story you wish to share with others. Step 3. Look for the 3 horizontal dots icon on the story and tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 4. From the menu that appears, tap on Share this story to proceed. Step 5. Next, select Copy Link from the sharing options to copy the link of the story to your device's clipboard. By following these simple steps, you can easily copy the link of a story on Facebook to share it with others, or save it for later use. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to copy a story link on Facebook. Enhance your sharing experience by easily copying and sharing links to stories with friends and connections on Facebook. Enjoy seamlessly sharing interesting stories and content with others using this quick and convenient method.